Dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I come back with a new topic, that is Learn Writing module, or how you can improve your writing task, or tips for writing task 2. Before beginning, I would like to request all of you to subscribe my channel for more knowledge. So, first of all, read question very carefully. Then analyze the question, understand the question by highlighting keywords and develop the structure of an essay in your mind. So from the question you have to highlight keywords or find out keywords and develop the structure, that how will you organize your essay properly. Then start your essay with introduction paragraph. Introduction paragraph is mainly divided into two parts. First one is general statement or background statement, and second one is thesis statement. So in general statement, start introduction of an essay by paraphrasing the question statement. Paraphrasing means use similar words related to your question statement. Properly use synonyms. Don't write too long. Accuracy of grammar should be maintained, otherwise your band will be decreased. Then paraphrase properly with similar meanings, or you have to use synonyms. But if you don't know exact word to say the similar words to express the situation, don't paraphrase it. Then use linking words if possible. In your sentence, you have to use connectors or linking words. Then second one is thesis statement. Write down thesis statement which may clearly define your position or your opinion. Write thesis statement in clear and in your own words. You don't have to copy the question statement, but you have to write it in your own words. Write down your opinion or your position in thesis statement. So overall, introduction should be made of 3 to 4 sentences. Then structure your essay properly and develop clear idea to represent it. If the essay is regarding discuss both point of views, then you should have to first write down introduction, then present one point of view. In another paragraph, you have to write another point of view, and last one, conclusion or opinion. Then discuss, if the essay is regarding discuss problem and solutions, then you have to first of all write down introduction, then discuss problems, discuss solution, and last paragraph, conclusion. Then essay is regarding advantages and disadvantages. Then first of all introduction, then advantages or disadvantages, and conclude it with your favor or position. You must have to support your position clearly. Either it is agreement or it is disagreement. Then use linking words such as on the other hand, moreover, furthermore, whereas, because, as a result, consequently, to conclude, on the contrary side, or however. These are the linking words you have to use in your essay. Then use variety of grammar with accuracy. Accuracy must be maintained, otherwise you will be penalized. Then use examples to support your ideas. You have to use general examples instead of any personal example. Then Avoid of very simple words or elementary words like big, small, good, high or low. In place of it, use some vocabulary, some synonyms. Then you have to complete your writing task 2 within 40 minutes. But if possible, try to complete essay before 5 minutes. So you can check your essay thoroughly. Your grammar, your vocabulary and the paragraph and the essay structure. So last one, parameters which increase your bands. Here essay should be cohesive and in proper manner. Then wide use of vocabulary. Then task achievement or task response is the main point. You have to discuss all the questions in your essay. Then accurate structure, the body paragraph and conclusion and of course introduction. Then use of connectors and range of grammar. You should use wide range of grammar and avoid grammatical mistakes. So these are the parameters which increase your bands. So this is the end of the topic. Thank you friends. Thank you all of you.